What's up, you guys? Luxury Home Service here. So this is what I was talking about by that Gorilla tripod. So this thing is where the phone's gonna go, and it's a good thing about it is that this is all, so I can just put it on and I can actually charge my phone while using this thing, which is actually pretty nice. So I don't always have to have a full battery. Actually, it's not gonna matter what my battery's at because I can just charge it. With my ghetto tripod, I couldn't do that because of obvious reasons. But yeah. So see, they bend. You couldn't do that with a normal tripod. So this is the remote that comes with it. I had no idea it actually had Bluetooth. So I actually thought there was no use for this thing. So I actually broke the button off to try and take it apart until I realized that's Bluetooth. So I've connected it to my phone. So now I can just press that button here and I can start or stop the video with that button instead of having to go on my phone to do that. So yeah. So unfortunately I broke the button completely and I could not put it back on, so this is all that's left of it. Still works. I already tested it out and everything, and it's connected, so I'm gonna set you on the tripod and then we're gonna see what I actually have for y'all. So you're probably gonna hear this. I'm not sure if you're ever gonna hear that. I will try to cut it out other than this time because, well, I'm just giving you a demo of it, kinda. So you may or may not be hearing that sound throughout my future videos. In this video, like I said, I'll try to cut it out, but anyway, we got this motor here. I'm pretty sure it's for like a condenser unit of a central AC system, but this thing is brand new. There is no scratches on this shaft whatsoever. I have looked at it. This thing is practically brand spanking new. And I also got this for free. You know why? Because my brother works at the dump and he found this in the dump. And I want to know why. Why a brand new looking motor was found at the dump. So I think we're going to go ahead and find that out. So we're getting a little handy. And getting these bolts off the hand. At some point you're probably going to hear my brother ask me to go to him so that I can grab some food. He's got us dinner, so whenever he gets here I'm going to have to pause the video and go grab it, and I'm probably going to eat it and then get back to this. Not the right bit. Oh no, this is just because I would need an extension, so that's stupid. No, that ain't gonna work. I wanted to say extension, but still, it's kind of stupid the fact that it works the way it does. I have to do that. Oh. Hang on. That's for this whole bolt. So then I got a better idea. To do all this. Sorry. And just a little bit of that. And sorry you can't see. Should probably get you at a better angle. It's also because where I'm sitting. Can y'all see? Yeah, if you can see that, my lights are flickering because of the air conditioner, my window air conditioner. Can hand this now. That is one long bolt. This is what I should have just done from the beginning. Faster like that. So y'all gonna get to see what's inside these motors. Most people don't know it because most people never tear them apart. If there is anything wrong with this, which there shouldn't be, I just hope I can fix it. Like I said, there should be nothing wrong with this thing. So how does this come off now that they're off? Do these screws have to come off in order for that? I wonder. At least I already got a bit that fits. It'd be kind of stupid if I had to take these bolts off as well, or screws, just to get inside this thing. I'm gonna take a picture of the data sticker for you. Sorry. Excuse me. I don't know why I'm coughing. I'm not sick, so. Moment of truth, did that screws do anything? Whoa, okay. Alright. So we got it apart now. And there's the rotor. This is the top cover, and then you got the rotor. And these fins are to move air around and cool them off, because for obvious reasons. And then you got stator coils and a big ass magnet. I believe that's a magnet here. Let's test that. So this is the permanent magnet. It ain't very strong, but I can feel a little bit of pull on it. And now I'm screwing up some O-rings here. Looks like it's just one of them normal looking bearings, or yeah, bearings. I wonder what the plug is for. It's just a plug. It is literally just a plug. There's nothing to it. It's not a oil filler or anything. Unless it is, and I just don't know it. But there you go. There's a teardown of one of these things. I don't see why this wouldn't work, but finally got the back cover off. I can see the rest of the stator coil. Wonder what this is. Probably a thermal fuse. I'm gonna look for, yep, thermally protected. So this component right here is probably the thermal protector. So that's not just like a, well, it's more like a fuse. It's kind of built like a fuse. So as soon as that blows, you're either pulling this thing apart to replace it, or you're replacing the entire motor. I wonder if there's something wrong with that, and that's why it ended up in the dump. Because I don't see why else that'd be. Alright, well, I guess that's all I got. I will get a picture of this thing, or this tag. It's a Protech by Emerson, so Emerson's not a very good company, so that's probably why. But yeah, I'm going to spare you the process of putting it back together, because it's the same process but in reverse. So no need for that. And there's your wires if you want to look at them. There's 5. Purple, yellow, brown, orange, and black. I'm assuming black's ground. So yeah. You got the electromagnets, which I believe are these little metal things here. And then get your stator coil. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, pretty cool, right? Not really. Alright, so like I said, about up for now. I'll make sure to get that picture. And there's the picture. Make sure to punch that like and subscribe button like a boss. Don't forget to stay tuned for more great reviews to come, including the 100 subscriber special, which is just going to be a trailer for the 120 subscriber special, and then the 120 subscriber special. I'm not sure when I'm going to start recording all that, but yeah, it's going to happen. And the last video, I noticed that I sounded a little desperate, or with an attitude, or something like that. I don't know what the word is. With the way I said, I know we can get it to 120 subscribers. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to be like that, but you know, crap happens. Hopefully not again, but yeah. So I would like to say, please get us to 120 subscribers. I know we can do it. We have gotten this far. We can continue growing. I'll see you on the next one.